All right, welcome back. And I am here again with Ben. Ben, that's a really nice background. Where are you today?
Thank you. I am currently in Los Angeles. Hello, Arvin. How are you?
I'm doing great. And as usual, I'm still in the Philippines at
Very
home.
cool.
So it sounds
Nice.
boring, but I'm actually having fun. So
Good,
yeah,
man.
so
So what are we
what's
talking
keeping you
about today?
busy?
Okay,
No,
what's been
actually,
keeping me
yeah,
busy?
yeah, before we start, I know we have an agenda about these things, but I think I just want to dive into something else right now. I know we've been talking about the KDP for a while now, and it's going great. But I'm something really curious about other things that you're doing. So what's really keeping you busy lately?
Yeah, so I've been messing around as I've been sharing a little bit with you with something else on Amazon that's a little bit newer to the Amazon ecosystem, and that's kind of this Amazon creator influencer space. So this
Hmm.
is obviously something that's become a lot bigger. Influencer marketing has been around, but we've seen that Amazon's adapting more and more towards being almost a similar feel on mobile to TikTok, to some of these other platforms, and they have now their own influencer piece. This has been around for a while, so this is not a brand new thing, but essentially there's two kind of avenues. I've been testing this as both an Amazon seller and as an influencer, so making essentially an affiliate commission to promote products. So
Hmm.
that's kind of what I've been messing around with, and I'm happy to kind of share a little bit more about it. But what questions do you have, or where should I go from here, Arvin?
Yeah, yeah. Just really wondering how did you get into that? Is it something that you've been doing before, or it's just also new to you?
Yeah, so the Amazon Influencer Program. So, what this spawned out of is the Amazon Associates Program, which is Amazon's affiliate marketing platform. This is something you can sign up for, as a seller, as a customer of Amazon, even if you're not selling on Amazon yet. And essentially, you can then generate affiliate links for pretty much any product out there in kind of the
Hmm.
Amazon ecosystem and share them to your audience, right? Now, traditionally, that's meant that you're sharing your link maybe on your blog or a review website. Maybe you have an Instagram page or some kind of other big audience on YouTube or something, and you're going to share your affiliate link in whatever fashion that looks like. That's
Hmm.
how I got started. And to be honest, I didn't really do much for years with the Amazon Associates account. I actually had my Amazon Associates account shut down two different times because I didn't actually use it. So I had to reopen it. Now,
Hmm.
what Amazon's started releasing or kind of pushing towards is what they call the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, to answer your question, how did I get into this? I got into this because we're good friends with Liz Saunders, who used to be at Jungle Scout and now runs a company called Fluencer Fruit. We'll put a link to it down below. Fluencer Fruit is
Hmm.
essentially like a Jungle Scout, but for Amazon influencers. So it helps you find good product listings on Amazon to make review videos for. And so she kind of encouraged me to look into this, and I started just messing around with it about a year ago. And it's been a really fun process. So anyway,
Hmm.
that's kind of to answer that question.
All right. And how is it? Because I'm also hearing something about Creators Connect, or I'm not sure how it's what it's called really, but are you aware of that one? And how is it related
Yeah.
to what you're doing?
So one of the reasons I think that this whole influencer space is going to become a bigger and bigger deal is Amazon's releasing something later. Well, it's actually being rolled out to bigger Amazon accounts as we speak, called Creator Connections or Creator Connect. And essentially, what
Hmm.
it is this is like similar to platforms you would find in every other category for influencer marketing that connects a brand with an influencer. And I'm sure we can make something pop up to show what this looks like from the back end. Um, but essentially, what this does is it allows you as an influencer to find brands that have products they want to promote, get an increased commission in exchange for promoting the products. And as a
Hmm.
brand owner on Amazon, you can find tons of influencers. And so Amazon's releasing a portal later this year, or they're in the midst of releasing it for you to be able to connect. Now, as an influencer, I already have access to this. I don't have access to this on my brand side. In fact, I know very few brands that have access so far, but it's being released kind of to the bigger brands right now. And normally these things trickle down to smaller brands. That's how I
Okay.
kind of got into this space. Um,
And yeah, how does it work? That's what I'm really curious about.
yeah, so let me share my screen. I'll kind of go over an example here. So where I think this is like most relevant is on mobile and how
Hmm.
this actually looks. So I'm sharing here my iPhone screen. If you're on the mobile app, You probably noticed earlier in the year that Amazon introduced this thing called Amazon Inspire, which is this feed of videos. And if you were to watch any of these videos, like this one, you'll see that there's products that are actually linked in these videos. So as you're creating content, people are reviewing products. And if I were to then click this and actually go buy this on Amazon, the creator will receive an affiliate commission. And that can range from, so you get, and you can see here, this is actually telling me I can copy my own associate's link to advertise this as an influencer. So what I do personally is for, oops, looks like it's airing out here, but what I do personally is for any product that I'm actually going and promoting or buying, sorry, rather, I'll just do a little review video about it and test it out to see essentially how it works out and if I can get some commissions out of it. So that's kind of how it works. Go for it, Arvin.
Yeah, just want to clarify because it seems like there are two things in there where you generate, I mean, not be really big revenue, but so first you're making this link so that if anyone would purchase from using the link from maybe your affiliate link, you will generate some profit from there. And at the same time, if you record a video and post that video and someone will buy that video, maybe you also have your special link in there, then you again will also make profit from that. Am I right? Or it's just the
Yeah,
same thing?
there's two, they're pretty much part of the same program. So I can either get an actual URL, that an affiliate
Mm-hmm.
link to a product, and I can share it to wherever. Like sometimes if a friend is like, hey, what, they text me and ask, hey, what product did you buy? Or what, do you have anything that you think so and so would want for a birthday gift? If I then
Mm-hmm.
text them a link that has an affiliate code in it, which yes, I do. Why would I not send my friend the affiliate link version? I've done this to you, Aaron. But is
Yeah.
I send
Oh, you
that
make
product
it.
and I
Mm-hmm.
make a little percentage if that person checks out and buys the product. And you could do that obviously in anywhere you want. You share the products to your audience and some maybe on your blog or wherever else, you get a little commission for every person that buys. It's like if we did a video here and talked about this this light ring I have up here and did a review and we put a link below, you click on it, you buy it, we get a commission for that, right? That's kind of the traditional method is like standard affiliate marketing. This newer portion they've added is Amazon itself on platform shows the videos that you as a influencer or creator create to review a product. Now they're going to show these heavily on mobile, but they also actually will show these on desktop. So I don't know. Give me a product, Arvin. Like just a product category.
Um, Scented candle.
Okay, scented candle. I'm going to pull it and then I'm going to share my screen in a sec. So if I'm looking on desktop, where you
Mm-hmm.
actually are also going to see these, so I just showed the mobile, but on desktop, if we go to any product listing, these videos are going to show up in several different places. So one, if we click in the main images here, and the brand can obviously upload their own videos, but if you notice here, there's going to be related videos, and these will either be videos for this product. So right now, actually, this could be a really good product to upload a video for. You want to be in here associated on the same videos for this product. So it'll show the brands first, and then it'll start showing anyone that's reviewed this product. I honestly might buy this product to do a little review video because there's tons of traffic on this listing. I know this brand. Now, these
Mm-hmm.
products here, you can see Chesapeake Bay Candle unboxing. So these are from influencers. So if I were to watch this video and then buy this product, you can see here it says earns commissions. So if I were to buy this product, that influencer will get a commission from the purchase on the product.
How will I buy the product from here, from this video?
If I watch, I think it's about 15 seconds of this, and then I go
Oh,
back and click add to cart and
oh,
purchase the
okay.
product, now that person's getting a commission for it.
So
Now
there's no
the
codes or links whatsoever.
no, that's it. It's literally just they have, and I think it's 15 seconds. I could be wrong. These also show up down here. So these are
Mm-hmm.
other video slots. You'll see that same person's here. But if I were to watch any of these, they also might get a commission as well.
But you can just upload your video in there. There's a button in there that says upload your video.
Yep, exactly. You
Right.
could, but if you're an influencer, I believe you have to use the Amazon influencer portal to upload the video because you have to
But
tag the product.
but if you're leaving a product review with a video in it, that works as well.
No, you won't get a commission for that. You have to separately sign up for this program, Amazon
Uh-huh.
Associates or Amazon Influencers. I'll show you on the
What,
back end what it looks like. Sorry, go ahead.
yeah,
Did you have a question?
what make you qualify for to be an influencer?
Um, to be honest, I don't know off the top of my head. You have to open up an account. So we'll put a link to it down below. It's this, if you just go to this website, Amazon Associates, affiliate-program.amazon.com, and sign up for this.
Mm-hmm.
And I believe just about anyone can access it, but you can probably find out how do you qualify? Boom, right here. They have a link. So we'll put a link to this website, but this is where you sign up for this. Let me go ahead
Mm-hmm.
and sign in really fast. But this is,
And that,
go
I'm
ahead.
sorry, go on. So that's linked as well to that creator program.
Yeah, they used to be just the Amazon Associate program, and now they have also this influencer component. So that's how it works.
It's really
Uh,
interesting. Yeah, if I am actually living in the US and I'm qualified to do that, I would.
yeah, you
'Cause
might
I,
actually be
I,
able to. I'm not positive, but maybe we should get you on the Amazon influencer program.
yeah, perhaps. Yeah,
So
because
why I
yeah,
think, oh, sorry, go ahead.
no, it's just saying I'm already buying stuff from Amazon. Why not leave reviews or be part of this one and then generate revenue from whatever I purchase, right?
Right. The
As
way
long as
I
I'm
look at
strategic
this,
about it.
so why I think this is going to be a big deal is one, it's an easy way to make a little bit of extra cash. I don't make a ton of money with this, but I make about 50 bucks, $30 to $50 a month for pretty much
Mhm.
doing a 1 minute review video of every product I personally order on Amazon. So to me, it's really low hanging fruit. And also, as anyone who's watching this channel knows, I love testing Amazon programs. Always think it's a great idea to test something out, especially when you're early to it. Um, you're going to be able to
Yeah.
capitalize on things, and that's what I've learned. The second thing is, I think if you're an Amazon seller, this is something great to figure out how it works so that you can figure out how you can take advantage of this program to sell more products for your own brand. And I think that's really actually what I'm interested in from a long-term perspective. We know how big TikTok has become in some of these other platforms, and
Yeah.
YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, and selling products through those platforms is not going away. Amazon's obviously adapting to that, so why would you not explore that and see how it can help you as a brand owner?
So as a seller, if I have a Creator Connect account, then I would also see there all of the influencers where I can connect and reach out to and say, hey, if you would advertise my product, this is how much you'll make. Is that how it works?
Yeah, essentially. We could throw
Mhm.
up on the screen a little recording of how the Creator Connections portal works access to, but essentially you as an influencer can scroll through and look at offerings. So like normally what they're doing is if your standard commission is going to be between 2 and 7% for every sale you make, with the
Mhm.
Creator Connections, the brand is offering an additional percentage for you as an influencer to push their product. I've seen those right now being as high as 20, 25% on some products. So imagine if you help make a sale on a product, a brand's product of, a $20 item and your commission is 25%. That's a pretty good commission to get. Now you normally have to buy the product yourself, but again, $20 item, if I sell four of those, like it's a pretty big deal. Now I haven't taken advantage of a ton of those. I'm trying out my first one right now. But I'm sure that as this becomes more readily available to brands later this
Mhm.
year, this is going to become a big deal.
Yeah. Well, I can see it like as you said, more like TikTok, like buying from
Exactly.
influencers from TikTok because they have their cards in there. Yeah, the reels are it's changing the way
Yeah,
we purchase from Amazon.
right. So that's, I think, like a very high level primer on this new thing that we're testing out. Arvin, obviously, I've told you a little bit about this. If anyone's watching this though and has questions about it or wants us to do some more content around this, let us know down below in the comments. Or if you're messing around with this Amazon influencer creator program, let us know if there's anything that's been working well. There's a whole series of other videos we could do around this topic about how to find the right products to do videos on because you want to get exposure on your videos in order to make money. And then there's the
Hmm.
brand side, how you actually take advantage of this as a brand owner. So let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to answer questions or do follow-up videos. Arvin, any other questions from you though for this one?
No, no, actually, it's just really very, very interesting to me. And I'm just really thinking, since we're talking about KDPs and Amazon for a while now, maybe look for something else to talk about. Just to try to change what we're trying to do every week. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Thanks,
it's always
Ben.
good to
This
get
is
some
really
fresh
helpful.
stuff. Yeah,
Mhm.
absolutely, man. All right, that's it for this one. And yeah, let us know if you have any questions. Cheers.